Hello YouTube, in this video we are going to unbox these three ANDSLITE emergency lights. The first one is ANDSLITE-ZIV, you can see here, and second one is ANDSLITE KISHAN, and the third one is ANDSLITE-ZIV. So let's unbox them. So first we take ANDSLITE-ZIV. Here's a tape, let's cut it. So it is open. Now see what you got. So here is a power adapter. Let's see its output. Its output is 5.5 volt DC. Wait, let me focus. Now you can see it. It is not written clearly, but I can read 5.5 volt DC. Let's keep it aside. Here's the main unit. ZIV. So here's a rubber band. Let's cut it. Okay, now it is open. Now keep this plastic aside. Now see, it is really nice. The design is very good. Here is a plastic box that protects the on-off switch. Let me open it. Now here is the on-off switch. You can see here. The light is really good. Wait, let me turn off my lights. You can see here. It can be used in study and YouTube videos and general purposes. It's very nice. Its quality is very high. It is very nice. I recommended you to purchase this. I will give you the link in the description. You can check out and buy this. Let's pack it and move to another light. So here is another one, ANDSLITE KISHAN. Let me cut off the tape. So I have opened it. You can see here you got a power adapter. Wait, let me see. The output is 7.8 volt DC. Now keep it aside. And here's the main unit. So in the box you can see here is something. It's a user manual. Everything is written clearly in this. Let's open the pack. Now here's a strap. Let me open it. You can see here's a strap for hanging it on the shoulders. It is really nice. It is very powerful and made of very good material. Here are some fuse. Let's remove. Oh, here are some plastic coverings on the buttons. So here is the on-off switch, and here is high and low brightness switch. It is not turning on. You can see I don't inserted the fuses. Let's insert them. Here it glows. The brightness is really good and it's really portable. You can see the brightness. I also recommend you to buy this. Wait. The company claims that this emergency light can grow up to 1 kilometer plus range or focus. So now let's test high and low brightness. This is high. This is low, high, low. Okay, it is really good. Let me pack it. Okay, now we will keep it aside and check another light. So the next one is ANDSLITE-ZIV. It is a rechargeable LED lamp. You can see here. Oh, its price is 745 rupees only. Let's remove the tape. Now we will got our power adapter. It's 5.5 volt DC. Let's keep it aside. Here's the main light. Here's something in the box. Let's see what is there. So I think this one is the warranty card. You can see here. Written warranty card. You can see. In the second paper is the user manual. The manual was really good. Let's keep it aside. Now we can see the light here. It have a handle for carrying. Its brightness is very low. I don't recommend you to buy this. I think it's not charged. Let power in the adapter. Okay, I have powered. Not much difference in the light. The light is not good. What is this? I don't recommend you to buy this. Let's pack it. I will return it to the company. Okay, now check the price. You can see. You can pause the video and read this all. So the price is 695 rupees only. The second one is KISHAN. So wait, let me see. You can pause the video and read it all. So here is the price. It is 995 rupees, Indian rupees. And let's move to another light. It is ANDSLITE-ZIV. Oh, its price is 745 Indian rupees. Okay, if you want to buy this, I will give you the link in the description. You can check out and buy this. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and comment down below. Thanks for watching.